What is going on, everybody? Today I'm going to run my friend's aunt's Kirby Avalir from August 2017. This machine runs really nice, and I really actually like having this thing around. It actually runs pretty nice for its age. As you can see, for what little I did to it, it actually does shine. But, you know, some few cosmetic scratches on it from wear and tear and use, everyday use. So let's run it. It hasn't been ran in about a month, so. Oh yeah, it has not been ran in a while, y'all. And it's actually grooming the carpet. You can see it's actually grooming the carpet when I pull back on the machine, so. Not running bad at all. Drop a like, comment down below, subscribe for more videos. I'm your host, Captain Namco, saying thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. And before I let you guys go, I always want to remind you that Jesus loves you, and have a great day.